also empower.
Now, still in business, the third edition of the APSA Inspire Me conference has kicked off today in Nairobi, bringing together women in business from over 12 African countries such as Malawi, Mauritius, Ghana, and South Africa. Anchored on 4 pillars: access to finance, access to markets, access to mentorship, network, and coaching and information, the conference aims to empower women to take their businesses to the next level. Industries such as textile, agribusiness, fashion, and finance, to name a few, are represented.
When it comes to access to land, access to assets, access to credit, access to job opportunity, access to leadership position, access to wealth, we have a huge imbalance. So, when we talk about the women empowerment, what is the definition of women empowerment? It's about removing those imbalances.
World Bank reports that 58% of all African SMEs are women-owned, contributing to about 13% of Africa's total GDP. These women-led businesses, however, continue to lag compared to men-owned businesses, with one of the biggest constraints being access to finance. While this remains the number one constraint in the growth of women-led businesses, many other factors contribute to their stagnation or collapse.
As we grow with our customers, as they go through the various stages of their business growth, one of the things that we continue to do is build their knowledge base, build their experience, and work with them to reduce the level of risk. But additionally, I mentioned Africa Guarantee Fund. There are a number of other partners, including the government of Kenya, that have provided risk-sharing guarantee arrangements that allow the banking industry to take a little bit more risk, to provide pricing benefits to our customers, so that overall